Good morning children. Welcome to MBM classes. Today let me teach you a trick how to do the coding and decoding for the alphabets. For this you have to remember some things. They are, first you have to remember the numbers of the first 4 alphabets. You know that A stands for 1, B 2, C 3 and D 4. We always remember ABCD and here 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. Similarly for last 3 let us remember X is 24, Y is 25 and Z is 26. Apart from that, let me remember one word, Ajoti. Let us assume that this is my friend's name. Okay, so that I can easily remember Ajoti. For this I am going to assign the numbers of 5 table. So E stands for 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20 and 5 fives are 25. So the number for E is 5, for J is 10, for O is 15, for T is 20 and for Y is 25. So these things we are going to remember initially in the beginning. Hope you understood. Let me repeat once again. Before understanding what is coding and decoding, let us remember these numbers initially. Since we already know ABCD, so we can remember these numbers also 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last 3 also let us remember, that is X, Y, Z. X is 24, Y is 25 and Z is 26. Apart from that, let us remember one word, beautiful word, Ajoti. Let it be my friend's name so that you can remember very easily your friend's name, Ajoti. For this I am going to assign the numbers of 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20 and 5 fives are 25. So now you are thorough with these numbers now. Now coming back to these alphabets, A stands for 1 as I told you, B 2, 3, C 3 and D 4. And from this Ajoti, E stands for 5. And for remembering this F, I am going to remember the word fix. F-I-X. If you remember fix, you will remember 6. So it will be 6. And coming to G, I am going to remember the tail of my letter. That is tail of my letter. So what is the tail of my letter looking like? 7. So G is 7. For this H, I am going to make this H, I am going to cover this H, so it will become 8. Now coming to I, it sounds like 9, so it is sounding like 9, so it is 9. For J, it is from Ajoti, it is 10. Coming to K, let us write this K in a form of like this, something like this, so you will remember this as 11. Now coming to L, L is looking like the angle in a clock. So you can remember 12. And M, if you are going to M, observe in the tilted position, it is looking like 3. So naturally it cannot be 3 because it is more than 3. So it is 13. Okay, and once again here also you can remember M is 13 and it is the half of the letter, exactly the half of the letter from A to Z. From A to Z you are having 26 letters. So half of the 26 will be 13. So M stands for 13. M stands for 13. So it is the last letter 2 and it is looking like 3. If you are going to tilt it, it is looking like 3 and naturally it is more than 3. So it is 13 and also it is also the half of 26 which is equal to 13. So hope you understood how to remember from 1A to M. So let me repeat. A stands for 1, 2, B stands for 2, C 3 and D 4 as I told you to remember here. And coming to E, it is from Ajoti 5. And coming to F, if you remember the word fix, you can remember 6. And coming to G, you can remember the tail of my letter, that is 7. H, if you are going to close, it's looking like 8. And I, it sounds like 9 and so it's 9. J, again it's from Ajoti 10. K, if you are going to write like this, it is 11. And L, it is the angle of the clock, so you can remember 12. And M, exactly half of the alphabet's 13. And also one more way, if you are going to tilt it, it's going to look like 3. And so it is 13. Hope you understood the first half of the letters. Now you can say yourself and see whether you are able to remember all the numbers for this alphabets. Now coming to the other part, that is N. N stands for November 14, Children's Day. So you can remember it as 14. Also you can, if you are going to remember the Roman letter, if you are going to write represents N like this in a breakaway way, so you can remember this 4 also. So it is 14 in two ways you can remember. N is November 14, Children's Day. So you can remember 14. And what about O? O you can as it is remember 15. And here for P, if you are going to write it in a reverse order, it is looking like 6, so it is 16. And Q again, if you are going to remember my tail, so it is looking like 7, so it is 17. And R again, if you are going to close it, it is 18. And S, if you are going to close it at the top, it is looking like 9, so it is 19. T20 matches, so you can remember 20, or else also it is in HOT. T is 20. U is unique, 21 is unique, so you can remember the number 21. And V is looking like 2, victory for 2, so it is 22. And W again, it is looking like 3, but naturally it cannot be, obviously it cannot be 13, so it is 23. And you are remembered X already. X is 24. Y is in UJT also 25. And Z is the last letter of the alphabets, which is 26. Hope now it's very easy for you to remember all the numbers for all these alphabets. Hope it's very easy. Again, I'll repeat for N. N is number 14, which is 14, or it looks like 4, Roman number 4, also 14. O, you can remember it as it is 15, also from HOT, 15. And P, if you are going to reverse it, it looks like 6, so it is 16. Q, remember my tail, it is 17. And R, if you are going to close it, it's 18. S, if you are going to close it at top, it looks like 9, it's 19. T20 matches 20, or else from HOT. And U, unique 21, so it's 21. V looks like 2, victory 2, and so it is 22. W again, it is looking like 3, so it's 23. X is already I told 24, and Y is from HOT 25. And last letter is Z, which is the last letter of the alphabet Z, and it's 26. Hope now you remember all the numbers for these alphabets in a very easy manner. So as soon as you learned alphabets right from KG1, if you are going to teach those children these numbers immediately, they can grasp these numbers also immediately, because there they learn numbers and alphabets together. So if you teach them in this way, they can remember the numbers for each alphabets. So you can teach your brothers and sisters who are in smaller classes also. Now let us see how to learn the opposites. You know, from A to M it is 1 to 13, and from N to Z it is 13, 14 to 26. Now A and Z are opposites, and the sum of opposites is always 27. Sum of opposites is always 27. You can count and see. A is 1 and Z is 26. So 1 plus 26 is equal to 27. So in that way, if you are able to remember A, and if you are going to forget Z, you know 27 minus 1 is 26. You can get the number for the other alphabets also. In the same way, B and Y are opposites, C and X are opposite, all these are opposites. So after from A to M you write it over here, and from the reverse order you can write it from here N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, Y, W, X, Y, Z. So if you write it in the reverse order, you will get the opposite. Each number, if you are going to add and look at over here, they are the sum of opposites, which is equal to 27. Now let me tell you one more trick how to remember these words, opposites, A and Z. So you remember the word A to Z. Okay, by remembering this A to Z, you can say A is opposite of Z. And for B and Y, you can say boy. B and Y are opposite. C and X, crux. D and W, dew. E and V, even. Mathematical term, even numbers, even. F and U, full. G and T, get. H and S, high school. This you can remember very well, because even after going to college, you remember your school, high school. So it is H and S, high school. I and R, Indian Railway. J and Q, Jungle Queen. K and P, Kacha Papat. Coming over here, L and O, love. You love your parents, love your sisters, brothers. M and N, man. Now if I'm going to underline all these, you can see A to Z, A and Z are opposites. B and Y, boy, B and Y are opposites. C and X, D and W, E and V, F and U, G and T, H and S, I and R, J and Q, K and P, L and O, M and N. So if you remember only these 13 words, you can remember their opposites also. Now using this table, let me teach you how I am going to code the words in the given data. Suppose I am asking you to find out the answer for this. Combine is coded as X, L, N, Y, R, M, V. It is given in the exam just like that. And if you are asked to code target, is coded as, how will you find out? From T, get. T means get. You remember the word get. So it is G. A to Z, Z. R, what is R? Indian Railway. So you can remember I. G, again get. So it is T. Opposite of E, even, V. Then opposite of T, again it is target, or it is T is get. So it is G. So initially you can see this table and write it down. So as soon as you learn these words, you can write the answer immediately within a fraction of a second. This is how you call this. You call it as a coding. So MBM classes in the similar manner. M, opposite is N, B is Y, M is N, C, X, crux, L, love, O, A is Z, S is high school, H, again S is H, E is even, V, S is H. Two words, get. So it is for two words, sorry, I written wrongly. For T it's G, O it's L, W it's D, A it's Z, R it's I, D, dew, W, S, high school, H. So in this way, you can remember all these. Indian Railway, R also Indian Railway, I. So for R, it's I. So if you remember the words, you can remember the letters over here and write the coding on your own. So in the same way, you are supposed to write school, elementary, achievers, practice, perfect. As you know, practice makes a man perfect. So in this way, if you are going to practice all these, you can do the coding over here. No doubt, this coding is asked in each and every competitive exam, in your IMO, in your railway exam, in your bank exam. So now itself you are going to practice. It will be helpful for your future. Yes, children, now let us see what are number codings. Here cat is coded as 3120. In the same way, you have to find out the answer how hen can be coded. So from this you can understand how you got the cat. C from the chart you can see the numerical value for C is 3 and for A is 1 and for T is 20. But every time you cannot make the chart, so you have to remember according to the trick I taught you. So see, first one C I told you to remember 3. And for A also I told you to remember as 1. For T I told you a shortcut T20. So in this way you can remember this is 3. Cat is coded as 3120. In the same way you have to find the alphabet coding, number coding for hen. So what is the number for H? It is 8. And for E it is 5. And for N you remember it is 14. How N is remembered? In the way of 4, so it is 14. In the same way you have to find out the answer for type. Find out the answer and write it in your comment section. Now coming to this tick tock band. So tick is coded as 20, 9 and 1 1. T stands for T20. I you remember it sounds like 9, so 9. And K you remember it's looking like 11. I told you to split it and write, so it is 11. The same way you have to find the code for band. Talk is 20, 15 and 11. Find out the answer for band. Coming to the next one, Chin is coded as 3874. India is coded as 94491. You have to find out the answer for war. And here win is coded as 595. A run is coded as 935. And you have to find the answer for sun. Got it, all of you? So sometimes sometimes the numbers are added, +1, -1, some adjustments are also made. So whatever the condition is given, according to it, you have to find out the answer for sun. Able to observe here, hat is coded as 9221. You have to find the answer how Ram is coded. See how hat is coded. The alphabet numerical value for H is 8 and by adding 1 you got 9. Similarly, alphabet value of A is 1. By adding 1 you are getting 2. Alphabet value of numerical value of T is 20. By adding 1 you are getting 21. So your answer is 9221. Similarly, you have to code Ram. Here deer is coded as 68321 and you have to find the answer for track. Bake is coded as 10104. Now you find the answer for rain. So in the similar way, there may be some adjustment, either +1 or -1, +2 or -2. You have to find the trick how it has been coded. In the similar way, you have to code the question whatever is asked in the exam. Here you are asked to code Ram, track and rain. Give your answer in your comment section. Hope you enjoyed this trick and it's interesting for you also. Keep watching MBM classes.